This is the Exclusive Barlow from Peña Knives. The Barlow pattern has earned its way into pockets for centuries, and the reason is obvious. It's small, simple, useful, attractive, and easy on pocket. Whether you're an outdoorsman, an urban EDCer, a hunter, or whatever, the Peña X-Series Barlow will fit your lifestyle well. The blade is made of Bohler M390 and is 3 inches in length. It features an aggressive clip point and a black finish. The handle is made of natural G10 scales and black titanium bolsters, with a matching black titanium frame lock mechanism. The front flipper action is smooth, thanks to the ball bearing pivot, and the milled titanium pocket clip is positioned for a tip-up carry. Designed by Enrique Peña and inspired by traditional knives from history, this is the perfect EDC for your collection, and you can pick yours up at the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm getting better at the front flipper, but I've got a ways to go. But what do you think of the Barlow? Comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for a newsletter down below. We'll see you in the next one.